What if I told you there could be a hidden camera watching you right now in your hotel room, Airbnb, office, or even your own house, and you wouldn't know it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Teleris channel. If this is your first time here, you're in the right place, because in this channel, my goal is simple: to educate everyone on cybersecurity, from cybersecurity experts to tech-savvy users and even non-tech-savvy people, so you know how to stay safe in the digital world and the real world, where cyber threats are always growing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to spot hidden cameras and suspicious devices around you using just one powerful tool called Fing. No technical skills needed, no hacking, just awareness. By the end of this video, you'll know how to detect unknown devices connected to your network, devices that could be spying on you. So, if you've ever stayed in a hotel, Airbnb, or shared apartment, you need to watch this till the end. First, what exactly is Fing? Fing is a network scanning tool that allows you to see every device connected to your Wi-Fi network: phones, laptops, smart TVs, and yes, hidden cameras. Most hidden cameras need internet access to stream or store footage remotely. That means they connect to your Wi-Fi, and once they do, they leave digital fingerprints. Without further delay, let's get started. For this tutorial, we would be using the Fing mobile application. Why? Because you're always with your phone. It is easier and more accessible compared to other versions. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. For this tutorial, I will be using the Google Play Store because this tutorial is being carried out on an Android device. Search for Fing Network Tools and install it. Once installed, set up the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup and prepare the app for use. Open Fing, tap Scan for Devices, give it a few seconds, and boom, Fing will list every single device on that network. Now pay close attention here. This is the most important part. Look out for devices labeled as IP cameras, generic devices, unknown manufacturers, devices with strange names or MAC addresses. If you see a device you don't recognize, especially one marked as a camera, that's a red flag. As for this tutorial, there is no camera, and that is why there is no such label. This is what you need to do. Ask yourself, do I own this device? Did I plug this in? Does this belong to the router or ISP? If the answer is no, do not ignore it. You can disconnect suspicious devices by changing your Wi-Fi password immediately, or alert the property owner if you're in a hotel or Airbnb. Let me show you a few other things this app can do. Let's select one of the devices. And there you have all the details of the device: the brand and model, the operating system, and yes, look at the Manage Device section. Before I continue, there are a few things you can do, but only on your laptop using the Manage Device section. This means you can use your phone to spot it, and when serious action is needed, you can now switch to your desktop application. What can you do? Let's see some of them in action. Number one is the Block Device section. From here, you can block the device, and there you have it. The device is blocked. Another one is the Pause Internet, that automatically pauses internet connection to the device selected. The Remove Device section, you can delete the device from your network. Remember, cybersecurity is not just about computers, it's about privacy, awareness, and protecting yourself. At the bottom of the app interface, you will find toggle buttons that allow you to arrange devices in order, filter connected devices, view scanned devices, clear previous scan results. These options help you keep your device list organized and easy to analyze. Explore the Network section. Navigate to the Network section to check your network security status, confirm and label your personal devices for future recognition, identify unknown or suspicious devices. This step is important for detecting unauthorized access to your network. You can monitor internet performance. Using Fing, you can test and monitor your internet speed, view your network location, understand what activities you can perform based on your current internet strength, e.g., streaming, gaming, browsing. This helps you manage your internet usage more efficiently. You can also check internet outage locations. One powerful feature of Fing is the Internet Outage Check. With this, you can see locations experiencing internet outages, confirm whether the outage is ongoing, view the estimated duration of the outage. This feature can save you time and money by preventing unnecessary travel to areas with no internet access. You can also compare internet service providers. You can compare different ISPs in your area, identify the best provider based on performance and availability. This helps you make informed decisions when choosing or switching internet providers. Fing can detect a wide range of smart devices connected to a network. These include smartphones, laptops and PCs, smart TVs, routers, IoT, and other smart home devices. This comprehensive visibility makes Fing a powerful tool for network awareness and network security monitoring. By following these steps, you can use Fing effectively to monitor your network, protect your devices, and stay informed about your internet environment. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that cybersecurity is not optional anymore. It's a daily responsibility. Always stay cyber cautious. Know the devices on your network, monitor unusual activity, and never assume it can't happen to me. Also, just to be clear, this video is not sponsored and it's not a promotion for Fing. There are many network security and monitoring applications out there. Fing is simply the one I selected for this practical demonstration because it's easy to understand and effective for learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future cybersecurity tutorials and real-world demos right here on the Teleris channel. Stay alert, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe online. I'll see you in the next video.